The best baby nail clippers. Clipping your baby's nails is essential to keep your baby clean and healthy. The best baby nail clippers ensure that clipping the nails does not become a challenging task. They are specifically designed to keep a check on excess nail growth. Check out this list of the best baby nail clippers that you can consider adding to your baby grooming kit. The options on this list are safe and easy to use too. Number 1. Best Electric Clipper. Little Martin's Drawer Electric Nail Clippers Kit. Here's a versatile electric nail filer ideal for the entire family. It comes with 6 tools, of which 3 cushioned sandpaper pads are meant for filing a baby's nails. Pros. Pads file the nails gently, with no risk of damaging the skin. The motor has 2 speed options, and is powered by 2 AA-size batteries. Comes with light at the base of the filer. The motor works smoothly and makes a minimum sound. Cons. Built-in light might not be too bright, might not be as durable. Number 2. Best S-shaped. Fridababy NailFrida SnipperClipper set. The blades of this nick-free clipper are shaped like scissors, so that you can trim nails carefully and gradually, rather than snapping them in one go. The S-shaped filer follows the contours of the baby's nails and makes filing a breeze. Pros. Comes with an S-shaped nail filer suitable for the baby's nails. A patented safety hole on the head of the clipper lets you see the number of nails you will be cutting. It prevents you from accidentally drawing the skin into the clipper. Has large handles on the clipper for easy grip. Cons. Edges might be too sharp. Number 3. Best Curved-Edged. Safety First Clear View Nail Clipper. These innovative and extra convenient nail clippers are designed with an adjustable magnifying lens that provides 5x more clarity than traditional pairs. Pros. Magnifying glass opens during clipping and folds away when you do not need it. Large handles. Curved edges of the clipper allow for the safe cutting of the baby's nails. Offers a good grip. Cons. Might be slightly challenging to use. Clipping may be a little loud. Number 4. Best Hygienic. Baby Blue Giraffe Baby Nail File. Shaping your tiny angel's nails has never been safer or easier thanks to this premium quality filer. Crafted with genuine check glass, it's more effective and effortless than most nail filers out there. Pros. Made from high-quality glass, which is safe to use on the delicate nails of an infant. Files nails effectively without being harsh on the skin. No risk of damage to the skin. Washable and easy to maintain. Ideal for small fingers. Cons. Might take some getting used to. Trimming might be a slow process. Number 5. Best Quality. Pigeon Nail Scissor. Pigeon's extra cute pair of scissors contain only as many blades as you need to cut the baby's nails. The small tip of the scissors makes nail cutting safe and seamless. Pros. Made from high-quality stainless steel. Handles made from ABS resin. Contoured handles to accommodate adult fingers and give them adequate grip. Saves you a lot of time and effort. Cons. Might be small for some parents. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.